Welcome back to yet another video on my channel. I'm so excited. I've been doing a lot of DIYs, hence I've moved to a new space, so I've been creating a lot of DIYs. Some of them I do film, some of them unfortunately I cannot be filming because sometimes they just happen so randomly. So I went out to the 5 Rand shop. That's what they call it, 5 Rand, but you'll never get any item that is like 5 Rand. And then I found a small bucket, which was 30 rands, and then at my place I had some twine that I was not using. I've decided to create a pot plant for my plants. Most of you know that I love plants, but I cannot be spending money on buying pot plants. So basically in this video, this is what I'll be doing, showing you how I created my planter. I hope you do enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe, tell your friends to tell their friends that we're doing DIYs on the cheap side. You know I love my spray paints, so I decided to use this Stay Matte black chalkboard. It's very versatile, you can use it for almost anything. So this is pink, so just went ahead and decided to just spray paint it black. So for the next part you'll need your twine or a book, or you can use a cardboard depending on the length that you want. So for me, I decided to actually make 25, circling the book, and then I decided to just cut it. After you cut it, what you need is you're gonna need a piece, and then after that piece you just tie it around before you actually cut the pieces that's around your book or your cardboard. And you need to tie it very tight, and then when you're done with that you just take it out and then you cut the other part. And the next step, what you need to do is cut another part. After you've decided to cut that part, the next thing that you have to do is just tie it around below the knot that you made. This will create like your tassel.